Yeah.
How cryptocurrencies are transforming the global economy. Since the creation of Bitcoin in 2009, cryptocurrencies have revolutionized the global economy. They have facilitated faster and cheaper global transactions, eliminating intermediaries and reducing costs. Additionally, they offer an alternative in countries with unstable financial systems, providing a store of value and a reliable medium of exchange. Cryptocurrencies have not only impacted finance, but also technology. Blockchain technology, which underpins cryptocurrencies, has opened new opportunities in various sectors. For example, in the supply chain, it allows products to be traced from their origin to the final consumer, guaranteeing transparency and authenticity. In the health sector, facilitate the secure and private management of medical records. Investing in blockchain-related technology is essential, as this innovation is expected to continue growing and transforming industries in the coming years. Quantum computing is an emerging technology that promises to revolutionize information processing. However, it also poses challenges for the security of cryptocurrencies. Quantum computers could, in theory, break the cryptography that protects transactions of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, putting their security at risk. Although this threat is still theoretical, and quantum computers capable of such a feat are estimated to be a decade or more away, it is crucial that the cryptocurrency community works on quantum computing-resistant solutions to ensure its future security. Cryptocurrencies are redefining the global economy and technology. Its influence is undeniable, and understanding its impact is essential for anyone interested in the future of finance and technology. Stay informed and consider investment opportunities in this exciting field. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss our next content. See you in the next leap into the future.